Here's a quick overview of how to encrypt files with Guard Encryption. In Drive, select the file that you'd like to encrypt. Click here and select Encrypt. The file will then reappear with a lockbox icon and the file extension name .pgp. Now your file is encrypted. Once your file is encrypted, you can share it here by clicking Share, or you can send your encrypted file via email by clicking here and selecting Send by Mail. If you want to remove the encryption on a file, select the file and click here. Select Remove Encryption and enter your Guard Encryption password. You can choose to have Guard Encryption remember your password for a specified amount of time. Just tick the box next to Remember My Password and select the duration from the drop-down menu. Then click OK to remove encryption. Your file will then reappear as a normal file without the lockbox and the .pgp extension name. You can also add a local file and encrypt it at the same time. Just click Upload and select File Encrypted from the drop-down menu. Select the file you'd like to add to Drive and encrypt. Your encrypted file will then appear in the file list with the lockbox and the .pgp extension name.